Unlock the power of over 5,000 apps with your WordPress site. No coding required. Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly integrate Zapier with your WordPress website, turning your site into a superpowered automation hub. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. We'll need to install the official Zapier plugin. Head over to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Zapier and look for the official plugin. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, you'll find Zapier settings within your WordPress menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option to connect your WordPress site to your Zapier account. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, now's the time to create one. It's free for basic usage. Clicking Connect will securely link your WordPress site to your Zapier dashboard. Congratulations! Your website is now ready to talk to thousands of other apps. Think about the possibilities. Automatically publish new blog posts on social media, add new user signups directly to your email list, or get instant notifications in Slack when someone submits a form. This integration eliminates manual work and significantly boosts your website's efficiency. To confirm the connection and start building your automations, head back to your Zapier account under My Apps. You should now see WordPress listed as a connected service. From here, you can start creating Zaps, your custom workflows. Choose WordPress as your trigger, like a new post published, and then select an action in another app, such as adding a row to a Google Sheet. Integrating Zapier with WordPress is a game changer for any website owner looking to save time, reduce errors, and enhance their online presence. Happy automating.